Welcome to Yellow Jacket Training Module 1. In this course module, you will learn how to log into Yellow Jacket and change your password, navigate around the Yellow Jacket tool, access your commissions, which are available in your account, add staff to a commission, view any open observations, view and print your company inspection templates, and lastly, access all your performance reports at the commission level. To log into Yellow Jacket, go to www.yellowjacket.co.uk. Enter the unique username and password that you were issued by your administrator and click Login. The first time you log in, you'll have to change your issued password for a new memorable password. To do so, enter your old password and enter your new password. Your new password must be at least 8 characters, contain 1 numeric character and 1 non-numeric character. Then simply click Reset. Your password has now successfully been changed and you can log in to Yellow Jacket. If at any time you have forgotten your password to access Yellow Jacket, simply click here. Then enter your username and type the code shown on the screen. Please note that this code is case sensitive and click Submit. Instructions have now been emailed to you to reset your password. The instructions received will allow you to either reset the password yourself or alternatively generate a new password. To do this, just click on the Forgot Password link. To reset the password yourself, simply click here and then enter your new password. Remember that the password must be 8 characters or more, contain 1 numeric character and also 1 special character. Once you've confirmed your password, click Submit. And your password has now been successfully changed. When you have logged into Yellow Jacket, you will be taken to the My Portal page. From this page you can see all the activity across your commissions, including any actions assigned, audits or inspections undertaken, as well as incidents recorded. These are color-coded in the center of the screen. On the right-hand side of the My Portal page, you've got My Open Actions. This lists any actions that have been assigned to you and remain open. Underneath that, you've got My Unpublished Records. This will include a list of inspections that you have partly completed but not yet published or scheduled to complete in the future. On the left-hand side, there are a series of menus. Depending on your permission level, you may or may not see the System Administration menu. More likely you will see reports, including access to your dashboard, access to templates that have been saved in your account, as well as helpful links, including the Yellow Jacket manual. In the center of the page at the top, you've got the drop-down menu to access your commissions. Simply click on the arrow indicated and select the commission that you wish to access. If you don't see any commissions in that drop-down menu, then simply click the Edit this list button on the right-hand side, where you may be able to access a longer list of projects assigned in your account. Simply select from the list for the projects that you're working on and click Save. You can also search for a commission. Simply add the project name into the commission search bar and click Apply Filter. This will search for any projects with that name or partial name match, where you can then check the box and click Save and Exit. You can also include historic commissions in the list by checking this box, which will include any projects whose completion date is in the past. Then simply save the relevant project, which will add it to your list in the normal way. Returning to the My Portal page, we can then click on the drop-down list and select the relevant commission. Once you've navigated to the Commission homepage, this is what you can see. On the left-hand side, you've got all of your input Commission tasks, including scheduling inspections, recording incidents, and also recording observations. In the center of the screen, we've got all the latest observations on this Commission. On the right-hand side of the screen, we've got My Open Actions, as well as below My Unpublished Records. Underneath the observations, you've got all activity on the project, including actions, incidents, inspections, and audits completed. It is also worth noting that the latest observations shown on the Commission homepage will only reveal unsatisfactory observations. To change this view, click here and select All. This reveals both closed and open observations on the homepage, revealing both the satisfactory and unsatisfactory observations. The form shows 5 observations at a time, and you can scroll through the list of observations by clicking on the relevant number. If you wish to review an observation, simply click on the title, which will take you to the main observation page. From this page, you can view the observation details, including whether it is evidence of good practice or unsatisfactory behavior, and view a description of the observation. You can also reveal photos of the observation if there was one added. Returning to the Commission homepage, let's now look at some of the other options available. When a user is set up on YellowJacket, they are given a certain permission level to undertake certain tasks. 2 of these permission levels include System Admin and Commission Admin. If you are a System or Commission Administrator, you can see an additional menu on the left-hand side with several options, including uploading site plans to your commission, as well as adding staff to that commission. To add staff to the commission, simply click on the title, which will reveal a list of users set up on your account. To add a user to the commission, simply select that user, click on the right-hand arrow, and save. There is also another option to send a summary mail alert to users. To do so, simply click the mail alert button on the left. And from here, you can click on the users, click on the right-hand arrow, and click Save. Returning to the Commission homepage, let's now take a look at the dashboard. Simply click View Dashboard to load this report. From the Commission dashboard, you can see a summary of the project performance. This can be filtered for any start and end date, or for the last 12-month or last month period. If we scroll down the dashboard, we can see the different graphs summarizing performance on the project, including accident statistics, actions raised by each responsible organization on the project, a summary of actions by action type. For example, this graph shows the top 3 actions being PPE, access egress, and housekeeping. This is very useful for action managers to identify where improvement areas are needed. There is also a graph showing both unsatisfactory but also good practice on the project. Lastly, there is a graph looking at leadership tours completed. These are tours and inspections completed by senior managers and directors. Within YellowJacket, you can also drill down into far more detailed reports. This will be covered in another training module later on in the course. Returning to the Commission homepage, let's now take a look at where we can access our inspection templates. To find your templates, navigate back to the My Portal. From the My Portal page, under Reports, you can click on Audit Inspection Templates here. And from here, you can select your inspection templates by clicking on Print Inspection Question Set, and then select the type of inspection question set you want to download, in this case safety. And lastly, you will see a list of different inspection checklists that have been set up in your system. If when you go to this part of the system there are no checklists saved in this list, contact your system administrator who has the permissions to upload checklists into YellowJacket. Simply click on the checklist that you wish to download and click Go. And once your inspection question set has loaded, you will be able to scroll down the question set and see your list of inspection questions. Within YellowJacket, the format of every question set is the same. It contains both a question header as well as individual questions. And for each question, you can mark whether that question is applicable and whether you've seen anything that is unsatisfactory, as well as taking notes. Within YellowJacket, you can download many reports. To do so, simply click on the Actions button and hover over Export, where you can download the report, in this case the inspection question set, into a PDF document. Once your PDF has downloaded, you can save it to your machine and then use it out on site to complete your inspection. That concludes Module 1. In Module 2, we will look at scheduling and completing an inspection in YellowJacket. Welcome to the Module 1 training exercise. This short exercise is designed to reinforce what you have learnt during the Module 1 demonstration. There are 5 simple questions to answer. Simply answer each one. The answer will then be revealed after each question. Well done! That completes this Module Training 1 exercise. You're now free to move on to Module 2.